Well, I'll tell you, Doctor, I am ecstatic with the results that I've achieved. It's amazing in terms of gradual hair growth and what's occurred. My wife loves it.
Tom, he had a strip transplant 16 months ago to address the Norwood 3 pattern of baldness, as you can see here, bordering onto Norwood 4, with hair loss both temporal areas and the anterior part of the scalp. You can see the thinning there. This is what he looked like post-transplant. Again, you can see we filled in the interior one half of the scalp. We also filled in the temporal areas and the front part of the scalp. Today, you can see the hairline, very natural, high density, impossible to tell that he has had a hair transplant. So, what do you think of your hair transplant?
You know, Doctor, I am simply ecstatic with the results that I've achieved. I feel that I've restored a level of self-confidence and youth. It's done enormous for my self-esteem, and quite honestly, Doctor, I should have done this years ago. I don't know why I was procrastinating and finally dove into the procedure. I think my hairline looks very natural, Doctor. I think it's as if I was back in my early to late 20s, and quite honestly, I'm overwhelmed with the results.
Okay.
The density of hair is consistent with my other hair density, so it just seems to be a perfect fit. And again, the whole procedure was seamless. It was as if it was non-existent during the recovery, and quite honestly, nobody even knew I had it done, which was fabulous.